In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel OpenArt subscription after failed payment. If a recent renewal didn't go through and you want to prevent more charge attempts or step back to a lighter plan, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you can wrap this up with confidence. Start by heading to OpenArt AI and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same login that's tied to the subscription with the failed payment, since subscriptions are specific to each account. Once you're on the OpenArt home screen, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Subscriptions. This takes you to the page where all your plans and billing details live. On the Subscriptions page, find the plan you want to cancel. If a payment failed, you may see a notice or a prompt on that plan. Click Cancel. This doesn't immediately erase your account. It simply starts the cancellation flow for that specific subscription. You'll usually see details about what happens next, such as whether access continues until the end of your current period, or if certain features are already limited because the last charge didn't process. Take a moment to read any notes on timing so you know exactly when billing and access will change. You'll now see a confirmation screen with two paths. If you're sure you want to stop the paid plan, click Continue. That confirms the cancellation and prevents future renewals for that subscription. In many cases, if there's time left in your current cycle, you'll keep access until it ends, but no new charges will be attempted. If your last payment failed, some premium features may already be paused. Canceling simply ensures the plan won't retry or renew. If you prefer to stay with a no-cost option, choose Keep the Essential plan. This moves your account to a lighter, free tier designed for basic use. It's a good choice if you still want limited access without being on a paid subscription. Selecting this option saves your account and content while removing ongoing charges. After confirming either choice, your subscription status should reflect the change. You're done once you've clicked through and the page updates to show the cancellation or the essential plan. That's the full process. Open OpenArt, go to your profile menu, open subscriptions, choose cancel on the plan, and confirm by continuing with cancellation or keeping the essential plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sort out your subscription quickly and clearly.